Hey guys, how we doing? It's been a while. I don't remember the last time I made a video. I think this is my third attempt with effort to reboot this channel because I have a pretty good following on it, and I just haven't been putting out content for it because I've just been lazy, to be honest. Very lazy. But I've been starting to change up my schedule and stuff and just free up more time for myself to do stuff like this, so hopefully it'll work out. So the channel reboots or whatever, or I'm bringing videos back. Cool. They're gonna be focusing more on lifestyle stuff, not so just pickup videos, because that's what I did for so long, and I feel like it's just I don't know, it's just not it's cool to watch, oh, it's cool you got that, but it's not helping you guys at all. But I like helping people, so we're gonna do more of a lifestyle approach with the videos, how what to help you guys with either eating or skincare, that kind of stuff, mixed in with clothing, because it all goes together. Everyone just wants to be a better version of themselves, you know. So we're gonna be focusing more on lifestyle stuff, helping you as opposed to just making the videos about me. But you guys are gonna be watching me anyway, so I guess that's the best thing, and I get to help you guys, so that's even better. What else? We're still gonna do pickup videos. But just tone it down, or just mix it, just throw something in there quick. Maybe if I'm talking about putting together a certain outfit or something like that. Next thing, probably gonna make the channel All American Bad Boy instead of Gooch Skater. No, I came up on the Gooch Skater, but I feel it's just all news, and I kind of outgrew that. And to be honest, I haven't skated since maybe 3 years, 2 years. I skated to get my Amazon pickup the one day though. That was cool. Yeah, so I just wanted to make this video quick, just to reintroduce myself to you guys, and just know just to let you guys know I'm here still, and yeah, I just want to start helping you guys, just help you guys out with stuff, and I think that would be great. I think you guys will enjoy it. Literally, I was just terrible. I'm terrible at time management, so bad. Chill for a second. And I'm terrible with time management, so I'm gonna try to set myself a schedule. I'm always gonna put out a video on this day, or just a video once a week. I'll pick a day out of the week to find time, make it great, you know, hopefully. But yeah, so I just wanted to make a short video just to reintroduce myself, let you guys know what is going on, because I'm back. Gooch Skater's back, but it's gonna be All American Bad Boy, because I like that 10 times better. It's harder to say though, but whatever. This dude is fucking freaking out. That's why I don't give him catnip. But video later this week for sure. Do a little pickup video. Talk about some style for spring, summer maybe. And yeah. Hopefully you guys will tune in. I'm sorry I've been gone for so long. I do miss everybody that comments and stuff. But I'm sure if you follow me on Instagram, you're getting your daily dose of me anyways. So see you later this week, and yeah. Peace out, yo.